Donyell Taylor, Longstrike. More Tattoo 4 of 18 terrible CGI villains in superhero movies. 6 of 17 the worst X-Men members ever. Debrii, Skybolt, Water Snake, Timeslip, Decibel, Rage, Chris Bradley, Silouhette, Turbo, Darkhawk. More Darkhawk 15 of 21. The most extreme 90s comic book characters. 15 of 21 the best West Coast Avengers members. Hummingbird, Speedball, Thrasher, Vance Astrovik, Nova. More Nova. Richard Rider 35 of 187 the top Marvel Comics superheroes. 90 of 297 the best comic book superheroes of all time. 22 of 99 the best teenage superheroes. Tempest, Alex Power, Sam Alexander, Dagger, Jubilee. More Jubilee. 707 of 737 the most annoying TV and film characters ever. 57 of 546 the best female comic book characters. 932 of 1289 the greatest TV characters of all time. Namorita, Firestar. More Firestar. 49 of 68 the greatest Marvel Avengers characters of all time. 43 of 64 the best X-Men characters of all time. 55 of 102 comic book characters we want to see on film. Scarlet Spider.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.